Alright, so yeah, what's up guys? So yeah, today I'm going to show you how to take your old pivot cups out of your trucks, skateboard trucks, which I grabbed a few of them. These are old anyway, so I'm going to grab the ones that are still not taken out. So yeah, someone asked me this, so thank you for throwing this out there. So yeah, I used to use like an older truck or whatever, like this part, to get it out. That does work, but the main thing is the threads on these can mess up your pivot cups, so I really don't recommend that. Like I said, you can get a leverage, but like the threads just mess your things up, so I don't recommend this. So what I would do is I would take something that's more rounded off like this, anything with a non-sharp edge. That's what I would do. Or anything that like actually fits in like snug like this, or even a little more snug would be good. Then what you want to do, you sort of want to press it down. And see, it's really tricky, so what I would do is till I can actually get that lip. And it goes back down. So yeah, I'll use something like anything like this. It's not sharp. I'll try to get the edge be lifted. Then if I can't, I can just use pliers or needle nose. So as you can tell, I can actually get a grip. Just pull it straight out. So that's what I would do. That's the best way I can tell you to do. Even with these, you want to be careful, but it still don't mess them up as bad as axles or anything with sharp edges on it. So yeah, that's how you can take those off. And I'm actually thinking about using this on my trucks right now, since dollar parts starting to tear apart. So I'm going to do it with this old grind king. So I grab everything like this, I can fit in there, and two without a sharp edge. Just at least get enough pressure to. See, this is a pain in the ass, but it still won't come out. But this one's pretty darn snug in there, actually. But then if I can at least get a lip, I'll just take my pliers and this, well, yeah, these are really a pain, but I guess another thing too, you can put something slick in there. Try it. As soon as I got at least a lip, let's see if I can use my pliers then. But yeah, that's the way you can do it. I could yeah, at least if you can get really decent low lip on the side of the thing to get it off, then you can actually use this and pull out nice and gently like I did with this one. So yeah, that's the ways how I would do it to get the pivot cups off your thing. There's better ways probably to do it, but that's just my main one. So yeah, see you guys later. Hope you guys enjoy this.